Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of natural mosquito repellents. For millennia, the animal kingdom has relied on nature's pharmacy, harnessing the power of plants for their own needs. We too can benefit from these ancient remedies. We'll explore how certain plants, with their unique scents and properties, can help keep your garden bug-free and more enjoyable, allowing you to fully appreciate the wonders of the natural world just outside your doorstep. In the heart of many gardens lies a formidable defense against the mosquito, the Citronella plant. It stands tall, its leaves are vibrant green, but its true strength lies in its aroma. This potent fragrance, undetectable to our noses at a distance, creates an invisible shield around the plant, masking the scents that mosquitoes use to locate their prey. Imagine for a moment the mosquito's plight. It navigates using a keen sense of smell, drawn in by the carbon dioxide we exhale. But the citronella's powerful aroma disrupts this intricate tracking system, creating a fog of confusion for the mosquito. Unable to pinpoint its target, the mosquito is forced to abandon its pursuit, leaving you and your garden in peace. This natural defense mechanism, honed over millennia, is a testament to the power of nature's ingenuity. Planting citronella around your patio or seating area creates a zone of protection, allowing you to enjoy the outdoors without the nuisance of mosquito bites. Its effectiveness lies not in harming these insects, but in deterring them, creating a harmonious balance within your garden's ecosystem. The citronella plant, with its unassuming appearance and potent aroma, serves as a reminder that nature holds the key to many of our everyday challenges. By embracing these natural solutions, we can create spaces that are not only beautiful, but also in tune with the delicate balance of the natural world. Lavender, with its delicate purple blooms and intoxicating fragrance, is a beloved resident of gardens worldwide, but beyond its ornamental beauty lies a secret weapon: the power to repel mosquitoes. These tiny insects, with their persistent buzzing and irritating bites, are no match for the lavender's subtle yet effective defense mechanism. The secret lies within the plant's fragrant oils. These oils, released into the air, create an invisible shield around the plant, a fragrance that we find pleasing, but mosquitoes find downright offensive. This natural repellent, a product of millions of years of evolution, is a testament to the intricate relationship between plants and insects. Imagine a gentle breeze carrying the scent of lavender across your garden. To us, it's a sweet and calming aroma. But to a mosquito, it's a signal to stay away. The scent interferes with their delicate sense of smell, making it difficult for them to locate their next meal. By planting lavender in your garden, you're not only adding a touch of beauty, but also creating a haven free from these unwelcome guests. The gentle sway of the lavender in the breeze, a symphony of color and fragrance, serves as a reminder that nature's solutions are often the most elegant and effective. So embrace the power of lavender and let its beauty and natural defenses transform your garden into a mosquito-free sanctuary. Chapter 3. Basil, with its vibrant green leaves and intoxicating aroma, is a staple in kitchens worldwide. Its culinary uses are well known, adding a touch of freshness and flavor to countless dishes. But this versatile herb harbors a secret. It's a powerful mosquito repellent, a natural guardian of your garden's tranquility. The secret lies within the basil's leaves. They contain essential oils, a complex blend of compounds that give basil its distinctive aroma. While we find this scent enticing, mosquitoes find it overwhelming and unpleasant, a potent deterrent that sends them buzzing in the opposite direction. Imagine yourself stepping into your garden, the air thick with the aroma of fresh basil. It's a sensory delight, a welcome invitation to relax and unwind. But for mosquitoes, it's a clear signal to stay away. By planting basil strategically around your garden, you can create invisible barriers, zones of protection where mosquitoes dare not venture. Its effectiveness lies not in harming these insects, but in gently persuading them to seek their meals elsewhere. So, embrace the dual nature of basil, a culinary delight and a natural mosquito repellent. Its presence in your garden will not only enhance the flavor of your dishes, but also ensure that your outdoor gatherings are free from unwanted buzzing guests. Thank you for watching. I trust that you've discovered the remarkable power of these plants and how they can transform your outdoor spaces into havens of peace and tranquility. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tips on keeping your garden beautiful and bug-free. Remember, by embracing nature's solutions, we can live in harmony with the natural world while enjoying all its beauty. Happy gardening.